Here I will write that also. 2 kg of oxygen at a temperature 27 degree and pressure 1 bar is compressed isentrophically to 15 bar pressure, right? First, this is isentropic process. Then the gas is cooled till it reaches its original pressure at constant volume. There is isentropic process and constant volume. Evaluate the work done, heat transfer and change in entropy, right? We have in the isentropic process Q is 0, right? And for the constant volume process W is equals to 0. Work is not done in the constant volume process. So we have to calculate work done in isentropic process and heat in constant volume. Here few data is not given, that is Cp is equals to 0.922 kilojoule per kg and Cv is equals to 0.662 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This is in Kelvin. So if this value is not given, so you can use gamma is equals to 1.4 direct standard value. If this value is given, gamma is equals to Cp by Cv, right? But here it is required Cp by Cv because here constant volume process, for the constant volume process dq is equals to, or q is equals to du. So where du value is mcv dt. So Cv is very important to find out the du. So it is required value in this equation. So suppose this is process 1 to 2, 2 to 3, right? So 1 to 2 is isentropic process, this is in constant volume process. For the 1 to 2 process we have to calculate work done. Very simple. So first of all find out the gamma. Gamma is equals to Cp by Cv, which is equals to 0.922 divided by 0.662, which is equals to 1.393, right? So another we have relation in the isentropic process. To find the T2 and T1 relation, here pressure is given. What is given first? P1 is equals to pressure 1 bar and P2 is equals to 15 bar, right? And M is equals to 2 kg, T1 is equals to 27 degrees Celsius. CPCV in Kelvin, so you have to convert temperature in Kelvin. So T2 by T1 is equals to P2 by P1 gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. This is the value. What is P2? 15. This is, there is a ratio, so don't need to convert in Newton meter or in Pascal. 1 raised to 1.393 minus 1 divided by 1.393. So which is equals to I will write here 2.146. Then T1 is equals to 273 plus 27, which is equals to 300 Kelvin, right? This is the value of T1 we have to calculate because T1 is given. So T2 is equals to T1 into 2.146, which is equals to 643.82 Kelvin. This is value of T2. We got the values of T1 and T2. Then we have to calculate W1 to 2. Work done 1 to 2 is equals to, M is equals to 2, R is equals to Cp by Cp minus Cv, 0.922 minus 0.662 into T1 minus T2, 300 minus 463.84 divided by 1.393 minus 1. This is gamma minus 1 from this formula, right? So W1 to 2 is equals to minus 454.95 kilojoule. This is work done in isentropic process, right? Then cooling at a constant volume, so W2 is equals to 0, V is equals to constant, and work done, total work done is equals to, we can write at total work done W1 to 2 plus 2 to 3 W2 to 3, which is equals to same value 4.95, right? So next, in compression heat transfer is a 0, in cooling this is dq is equals to du plus dw, where this is will become 0 because here volume is constant. So dq is equals to du is equals to mcv t2 t3 minus t2, here t3 minus t2, right? Then we have relation t3 by t2 is equals to p3 by p2 is equals to p1 by p2. Why p1 by p2? Because here constant pressure relation between this, right? A constant volume relation. What is the constant volume relation? There is 1 by 15, right? Then T3 is equals to T2 divided by 15, which is equals to 643.84 divided by 15, which is equals to 42.923, right? This is the value of this is the Kelvin, in Kelvin, right? So we have du is equals to 2 into 0.662 into bracket 42.923 minus 643.84, right, which is equals to minus 795.61 kilojoule. This is value of dq as well as du. A change in entropy, we have the formula change in entropy, that is delta S is equals to in the first S2 minus S1 is 0 because S is constant, right? Isentropic process. So ST, that is S3 minus S2 is equals to mCV log of T3 by T2. We have the values 2 into 0.662 ln of 42.90 divided by 643.84, which is equals to 3.585 kilojoule per Kelvin delta S. This is the total value. Thank you very much. Thank you.